I think we can all agree that things are just a little weird out there in the world. There's a lot of uncertainty, and it could be civil unrest, it could be economic collapse, it could be people marching in the streets because of the midterm elections, it could be the collapse of our fiat currency. There's all these things, right? Maybe it's food security that your issue is. Maybe it's personal security that your issue is, and you're not quite sure, how do I do these things? I want to break away from the system. There's a lot of people that'll give you bad advice. And there's a lot of people that will give you advice that they themselves have never taken. It's just secondhand, third-hand information that they heard somewhere from a guy at a thing. How could you go about actually getting real-world practical advice? How could you go about having somebody facilitate your needs? Well, you could do the research yourself. Or maybe you'd have a team of specialists at your disposal. What would that look like? Well, what if you could have, say a U.S. Army Green Beret and a SEER instructor and an armed and unarmed combat instructor, an off-grid homesteader, somebody who's been in agriculture their whole life. What about that? What about somebody who's worked in and out of the government structure as a contractor, service provider, de facto expert, subject matter expert, trainer, and facilitator? How would you get a hold of those people? Well, I'm proud and excited to announce ProsperReady. 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 www.prosper, P-R-O-S-P-E-R, ready, R-E-A-D-Y.com. I will put a link down below. If you're serious about acquiring services, preparedness contracting, whether that's fulfillment services, I just want a year's worth of food for me and my family, or my team, or my 50 closest friends, got you covered. I want a sustainable homestead, we can help. I want to know if our retreat is viable from a carrying capacity standpoint, from a security standpoint. We can do that. Discretion is the cornerstone of our ethos. There's not a person who works at this company who is not trained in handling TS/SCI information. Our site is encrypted. We've done things. We know people. We know how to do this. And now we are doing it. There have been myriad inquiries as to, how do I get you on my team? How can you help me? This is how we can help you. Serious inquiries, go to ProsperReady, ProsperReady, ProsperReady.com. You can shoot us an email there. We can schedule a time to talk. Everything we do will be built around bringing you the best value that we know how. Actual expertise in our industry, not just a bunch of talking heads. So if you've ever wondered, what could I do to actually bring an expert in? Now you know. ProsperReady. I might have failed to mention Joe Fox, Viking Preparedness. Good to have you on board, brother. ProsperReady. ProsperReady.com. ProsperReady. If you are serious about bringing serious professionals with the utmost discretion on board to handle your concerns, if you're interested in the collaboration of confidence and peace of mind, we can assist.